For question 18, we're given a functional equation and a bunch of functions, and we're asked to see which function satisfies this equation. We could go through and sub in each one and see which one satisfies it, or we could have a look at a CAS method to do this. So there's a couple ways. You could sub ones in. I mean, you can rule out things like x cubed because you've got a square root and it should feel kind of funny, and e to the x. You could look at these and kind of intuit which ones to try first, but let's assume we don't know. There's a way we can do it on our CAS. The first thing to do is just type this expression. A shorthand for absolute is ABS, and put the quantity you want the absolute value of in brackets. That's the way you can do absolute value bars. So we'll go ABS. Well, those bars work in this way on the TI Inspire. Anyway, it might be different for a different calculator. And we want f of x plus y. Make sure you've cleared your variables or that you're not using these variables for other things, or else this won't work. And then x minus y. So we've got the absolute value of that quantity equals 4 times the square root of f of x times f of y. And what do we get back? We get back exactly what we typed. So what you can do now is you can pick these functions and define them, and then retype this expression, and it'll tell you whether it's true or it'll return some working out. So let's try x cubed. I have a feeling that f of x equals x cubed satisfies this equation. Well, we can define x cubed as our function. F of x equals x cubed. And then we can jump up here and grab this equation, and we can see it doesn't tell us true. It does some working out, and no, it's not x cubed. Let's try x squared. We jump up here, we change our function definition, and it overwrites, so you don't need to clear f of x. So we've defined that. Grab our original expression up here. Bam, it's true. So we know that A must be the answer. If you're doing it by hand, you look at the left-hand side, and we have f of x plus y, which is x plus y squared minus x minus y squared equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And the x squareds and y squareds cancel, and we get 4xy. Looking at the right-hand side, we have 4 times the square root of x squared times y squared, which is 4 times the square root of xy all squared, which is 4xy once again. Therefore, left-hand side equals right-hand side, and we can see that A is our answer.